Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive UFC dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, the key insights include wins by fighter, losses by fighter, total strikes attempted by fighter using clustered bar chart, clustered column chart for strike differential by fighter, average submission attempted per fight by fighter, wins by stance, win rate trained by fighter, average reach by fighter, win percentage by fighter, three cards to display total wins, total losses, total draws on narration, and a slicer to filter based on player. Let us use the slicer. We filtered for Aaron Rosa wins. Aaron Rosa wins 18. See, we need to know particularly we need to know total wins 18, total losses 6, draws 0, strike differential by fighter 0.38, total strikes attempted by fighter 8.44, average reach by fighter. And if I know about Aaron Simpson, total wins 12, total losses 5, and I included a narration which says Jeremy Horn had the highest wins at 91, followed by Aleksei and Jeff Monson, which tied for second of at 60. Jeff Monson accounted for 11.71% of losses. Across all 10 fighters, losses ranged from 21 to 26. This is all about my dashboard. Thank you.